regardless what you want, you can come here anytime.
Sir, can we have volume, sir?
Anytime, day or night, call us, any one of us. You have doors.
First put on Facebook, huh?
You don't need to do the doors. We have everything. Yeah. It's, actually, I'm not very good in speeches, but
Amazing.
for me is I don't like these moments when somebody leaves me.
I do.
Just say amazing, wonderful, 3-4 times in a good.
Thank you.
Just you can throw it in airport.
No, come on. This is a.
Somebody kiss.
Cheers. Cheers.
This really means a lot to me.
Come on, some good speech. Come on.
I'm good in talking a lot, you know. But thank you guys. Thank you for coming down and thank you for gathering over here and saying me a goodbye. But really, you know, I mean a lot. This team for last 4 years have been a wonderful team. I work with other class societies, but this is amazing, you know. Lois is amazing, especially with bosses like Firth, Visali and Magic, with whom I used to report every day. Fantastic.
Say the truth. Say the truth.
I'll tell the truth. First used to give me a call at 10 o'clock. Where are you? I said, I'm in the home.
Is that why you say
I'm at home.
You see?
You know? And said, he will never ask you, why are you at home? I said, I'm at home, you know? So I love this team. And it's amazing to, you know, that nobody has questioned me. Why are you not doing this? Because, you know, as long as it is, as long as it is, everything is sorted. There is no complaints. It's fine, you know. Thanks to all the colleagues, all my colleagues here, each one of them.
We're not saying goodbye, we're saying see you later.
Yes, see you later, you know. That is what I say. Goodbye. I don't believe in goodbye.
Oh, maybe we'll apply for a job for you, with you later
Come
on.
on, boss. You are a big one, you know.
Yeah, why not? Here we go all India, yeah?
Come on.
Yeah, like all guys, all Sudan guys. We are not gentlemen, we are Sudan.
I'll talk about everyone like he is famous in the fraternity called Bro. Everyone calls him Bro, you know. You know, like Vitali style, Bro. You know, have you met Bro? Like, he's very good in, you know, I'll talk about Matthew. Matthew is amazing colleague, but then, you know, when it comes to report review, he will send reviews. Very detailed one, and he will send back reports. With a very minute comments, you know. Shrejit, I know him from last 10 years. We used to do service together.
What about a girl that he had?
He was after a girl. We used to do service.
Really?
And we used to do survey together. There was a girl who was following him. You know? So I know him from last 10 years. Ashutosh. I was like for last 3-4 years when I was in Dry Dog, he was the guy who actually helped me, who actually taught me how to do surveys and what to learn from his fitness. At this 50 odd age, I think he crossed 50.
Oh, you just still the age. I'm still there.
He's still around 50, but he can do around 6 tanks, 7 tanks in one day, and I can still, after 3-4 tanks, I was like, I need to take a break.
The only fucking thing he learned from me.
But I've learned a lot from him, you know. We had a very good close. Now I'll go to Shiva. Thanks for coming down. You don't come down. I know you're a friend.
Busy guy, yeah?
Any parties, any event, any get together, thanks to you for coming down today. And thank you. And then starting a new approach. I think the team will see you more often in times to come.
My 4 guys are leaving over.
In any parties,
He comes only for set of parties.
for your parties. So thank you to you. I'll talk about Jatin now. He's an amazing colleague, you know. Still new to Dubai. He will learn. He will learn in a hard way out, but he will learn, you know. Thank you to you.
Hard way out, yeah?
You know, over. An amazing guy, you know. He will finish his report before you actually
Before
go on
getting on the
board.
board. Yeah.
Well in advance, huh?
He is faster than Mask.
Yeah, faster than KPI.
Yes, he's faster than Mask, you know. It doesn't matter how is our mind Mask.
Preloaded, yeah?
This is
Reporting report.
Turn it off. Within 5 minutes. Captain, tell me where I can have 20 reports. amazing guy, you know.
I agree, yeah.
So this is what I have learned from him, how to finish reports. You don't have to be perfect in reports, but then, you know, in master, my report is ready. My software is amazing, you know. It's just your printer is not working. You know?
He's a super user for mass.
Super user for the past. My good friend, you know, Vivek, amazing. I had not much more opportunity to work with him because he was Fajera, but then yes, whatever opportunity I got, he is very thorough. And like, I don't like this food. Go get this food for me. At 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, I don't care if your galley guy is sleeping. I want this food, and he has to serve that food to me. So I've learned that attitude from him.
Okay.
Amazing, you know. I'll come back to you first afterwards. You know.
Yeah. Put me on the last one.
Something wrong.
There's something wrong.
Magic, you know. Thank you to you. You're just a phone call away for everything, you know.
Oh, yeah.
Every moment, he's just a phone away. He said, Sagar, what is the problem? Give me the problem, and you know what do you expect? And then, you know, he's like he works like a flag administration. The problem and what do you want to do about
Which
it?
flag? Which flag?
Any flag. He's like,
Flag of convenience or compliance?
go ahead and issue choice.
Zanzibar flag.
Zanzibar.
So thank you and thanks especially for getting us good cars. We were driving.
Oh yeah.
So that's
Yeah.
I agree with that. The car which we are driving right now is all because of you.
Okay.
Because of your hard effort. So thank you for that.
Hooray! The car? Lloyd's account.
I said, upload this video to Yahoo. Because 170.
No, it's like the kind of cars we drive, the housing allowances, and everything got rectified last year. All thanks to him.
Yes.
Because it was thank you, Mike.
Thank you.
I always think
For the team at least, you know, and you're still doing every day. You are asking for the HR, you're asking for the education allowance, you're asking for the petrol. You're still doing it, so amazing. Thank you for you. Christy, we have not met much. This is the first time I'm seeing you, but I've heard a lot about
Here, I need to thank you for having me
I've heard a
here.
lot about you from other guys, you know.
Only good things more
So
about
thank you for
I
being
thank
over
you
here.
for invitation.
Rafal, you are our digital workbench team expert. If I face any issue, any of the, you know, my team members have any issue that digital workbench, he's the guy. Thank you to you. You know, thank you. My good friend Shazad. You know,
Oh, Uncle Bob.
you know, once he has put on any step and you are going after, no, we don't accept this because Shazad has some, you know, he has put up what he wants, you know, you have to follow him. It's not like, you know, we can't have different opinions, you know. So thanks to you.
He's now thinking his speech in another couple of weeks.
He's very good with
Let's make America great again.
I don't know why is he going to US. I still think he should be here. He should not be going to US.
Trump invite him.
Trump invite him is fine, but you know you should be here. You should not.
Whenever I have a problem, the first man I call him.
And then you got everybody else.
You know when he was there, because when I came down to Noise, this was the first place where I was staying. He joined and said, "Let's go to massage together." You know?
Oh, really? What the hell? Cut.
My good friend Nuri.
Nuri.
Everybody loves him.
Of course,
Very
yeah.
systematic, very thorough, very, you know, he loves
Like a police officer, yeah?
like it, like German proper. On his report, you'll find him at the 30 FDAMs, 30 MDAMs, you know. Very good reporting. You can follow his reports for anything, you know. He's an amazing guy. Very good, you know. My good friend Vitali, he just joined Eloise a couple of months back, but then I really appreciate, you know, his hard work to adapt to mask. Because I was with him on his first survey, and I was with him with his second survey. Said, what a system is this? Why we had to follow this? Why we need to take special codes to generate certificates? You know, if there is some problem with the certificates, and
Don't upload this to that Yammer.
what it is.
And yeah, will not.
I said, okay, for this certificate, what certificate I have to choose? I said, there is Excel sheet. You just search over there and you'll find everything. For this code, what certificate you want. And like he was totally lost in, but then, you know, he picked up. He's a great asset, you know, amazing. Kali, as you know, he is the amazing boss.
Of course.
He's amazing, you know. It's like, I still remember my interview was taken by him and Francesco. So I was on an interview with Tina, Francesco and Vitali. And I thought Vitali is the service area manager. And Francesco is
Cut.
So I was so mistaken. And I didn't understand in the meeting, in the interview, the Francesco used to ask some question. I was like, oh, he's just SIC. I didn't answer more to him, you know. He's the service delivery manager, you know. Overall. So
No wonder Francesco left.
what I like about him on the day one, Tina is the HR. So he finished his question, Francesco finished his interview, and then you know Francesco said to Tina, HR, do you have some question for him? And then she started up and said, well, we have already recruited him. You don't have to add up, you know, anything more. Like that was something, you know. And I asked him, when do you want me to join Dubai office? He said, yesterday.
Yeah, but they were desperate, that's why. Yeah?
And I told
Accidental
him,
hero, yeah?
Sally, I need another 2 months to come to Dubai. He said, we'll wait for you. So all my entire journey, he was there supporting everything. I can give him call at any moment of the time. Amazing. Bro, I'll connect with you already. Let's come to you first.
I'm going to the toilet. Yeah, cut. You go to.
You are amazing, you know. But, you know, what I like about you is like, you know, a very good friend, always there. Whenever I call you, where do you want me to come down? You know, well, let's meet in the Dubai Pride Office. Let's meet in the office. Let's meet for the beer outside. You know, he was always available. I can call him at 10 o'clock in the night, and he's like, okay, you can do this, you can do that. Don't ask me, just do this. You know, and send the report to me. I'll review it. It's fine. You know, he's always there. He's very supporting, very nice, amazing. You know, as a friend, as a leader, as a lead surveyor, I never felt that you were a boss. So more of a friend who was always approachable. You know, that is what a team wants. You know, when you come down. Yes, I can always reach out to you whenever I want it. You know, I feel that confidence. As I told you, you call me at 10 o'clock and I can say first time at the phone.
24/7.
So amazing. Thank you to you. Thank you to everyone. Thank you for the.
One
Thank you.
question. Cheers. All good things. Why are you leaving? Everybody is so good.
I will be here very soon, you know. As Vitali told me, the doors are always open. And thanks to thanks
Yeah, we will give it us
to Magic. I'll be here very soon.
Let's take a photo outside.
Yeah, why not?